Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert the microSD card at the Samsung Galaxy M13. First of all, we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool. If you have put it back after inserting the SIM card, you will find it here. Now, here has been the phone in previously, and here you should find the SIM ejection tool. If you have put it back, okay, just release it. Otherwise, if you don't have the SIM ejection tool anymore, you can use also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. So just enter it, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, at the SIM tray you have already one or maybe two SIM cards. No matter how many, the microSD card comes always here at the end. Be carefully if you insert it, because sometimes the SIM card jumps out here. Okay, this is how it should look like then. And as I have said, no matter if you use it with one or two SIM cards, it is the same thing. The contacts are below. Okay, and after, just put the SIM tray back into the SIM slot, like this. Close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in how to transfer data later then from the internal storage to the microSD card and so on. If you haven't done it before, you can subscribe me to don't miss a new video. Thank you so much for all your support. And maybe until next time. Ciao.